Hello and welcome, Victor here from Multifunction Crewe. Today showing you around this used Audi Q3 1.4 TFSI CoD S line. Finished in sleek black and powered by 1.4 litre turbocharged petrol engine, delivering 150 PS and paired with smooth S Tronic automatic transmission. This Q3 offers dynamic and refined driving experience. At the front, this Q3 is equipped with sleek all-weather LED headlights which enhance visibility in all conditions. The sculpted S-line body styling and bold S-line radiator grille finished in high-gloss black lended commanding presence, and 18-inch alloy wheels enhance grip and stability. At the back, the Q3 features striking LED taillights with dynamic rear indicators for a modern touch. The power-operated tailgate ensures easy access to your boot, which is practical and generous, offering plenty of luggage area, perfect for weekend getaways or full grocery haul. With reversible boot floor and split-folding rear seats, you'll have flexible loading options. Inside the rear cabin, you'll find comfortable cloth upholstered seats with ISOFIX mounts for added peace of mind. Passengers benefit from generous head and legroom, making long journeys just as relaxing in the back as they are up front. And at the front, the sport seats offer 4-way electric lumbar support for tailored comfort, especially on longer drives. The flat-bottom 3-spoke leather multifunction steering wheel features integrated controls and shift paddles for manual gear changes without lifting a finger. Behind it, the driver information system provides all your essential trip information. This vehicle is fitted with dual-zone electronic climate control, which allows both you and your front passenger to set individual temperatures, and the infotainment system offers crisp sound through 8 passive speakers and Audi's concert radio, as well as radio and media, navigation, which is SD card based, and info menu to access key car information, telephone connectivity with Bluetooth, which ensures hands-free calls and wireless audio, as well as Audi Drive Select, allowing you to switch between driving modes to suit your mood or terrain. You also get feedback from the parking sensors. This has been a presentation of the Audi Q3 1.4 TFSI CoD S-Line Edition. For more information, visit us online or give us a call today.